Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. So today I'm going to be looking at the Emporio Armani 3-pack trunk stretch cotton. If you know watched the last one, or it might be ahead of this video, I'm not sure. Depends which order editing. Go check that out. It's like a blue and black one, so they were different editions. So these are the black ones. This is a black edition. Okay, so it says Emporio Armani 3-pack trunk stretch cotton. So this is a model. That's his underwear. It looks alright there. These are like boxes. Okay, so this is £36, which costs more than the other one, even though the other one looks better with more colors and stuff. But yeah, that's how it is. Okay, this was made in Myanmar, Burmania, yeah, Myanmar. So yeah, so each one is divided by 3. What is that, guys? 1 add 2, 12. Okay, so I've already opened this before just to make sure everything's right. Okay, so I got medium size which should fit me. Medium 32 waist, that's right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Wow, look at that, guys. Already, look how nice it looks. Wow. Okay, so got one here. Look how nice that looks, guys. This is very soft, by the way. The stitching is very good. It's like sparkly here, which is pretty cool. Maybe that's my flash, I see. No, it is sparkling a bit. Okay, so you got the Emporio Armani sign in purple. Looks really nice. Look at that. Look how nice that is, guys. Okay, this tag is definitely going to get annoying, so you're going to have to pull that off and cut it off or something. The size is too long. Look how long that is, guys. It's going to go up your ass. Okay. There's an authentication code on there. The inside is very soft. The stitching is very good. So it's not bad at all. It's really nice. I like it. The color scheme on this is very nice. Let me try get another one out now. Oh my goodness. So this one's pink. This one's very nice as well, guys. Wow. Look how nice that is, guys. So these are cheaper than the Calvin Klein at the moment, which is mad. Makes no sense why. So this is sparkly as well. Got the pink on there. Emporio Armani. 1 second, guys. My alarm is going off. Okay. Emporio Armani, Giorgio Armani. And you got the eagle sign. So look here. Very nice, very nice. Got the Armani logo there. Take that off if you want. And the last one in here is the blue one. Let me try to get it out. Oops. Okay. This inside out. Wait, what? Oh no, never mind. It's the wrong way around. There you go. I wasn't seeing this sign here. Look, this one's like a light blue. I really like this one. It looks amazing, guys. Wow. My favorite is the purple though, 100%, because purple is my favorite color anyway. So these are different colors. I'll try set them up so you can see all of them together next side by side. And if you know watch the last ones, go check them out. Okay, right, so those are the 3 colors together. This might be the thumbnail. Let me see. Might be the thumbnail, I don't know. But yeah, that's what all 3 colors look together. Purple to me stands out the most. I like that because it's my favorite color, but then I like this as well. Pink is good as well. All 3 colors are very good, so very worth the price, I guess. Hopefully they last and good quality. They're very soft and stretchy, this band, so hopefully fits. And yeah, you can't get any refunds on this, by the way, because it's underwear, so make sure you get the right size. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other video if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.